Ladies and gentlemen, welcome your faces back to, oh wait, just 1 second. You know, something that never fails to amaze me? It's the amount of shit I draw on my charts every single time I do a review. So look at all these lines, bro. Like, okay, we get it. We did a downtrend, a hit off the zone of support, and then a movement upwards. Well, it sort of did happen, but on the other hand, the chart just looks pretty ugly right now. So I'm going to refrain from that for the time being. We're going to plot out a beautiful uptrend line, which once broken out of, provided a significant selling opportunity in a bear market. So once you have a break of this velocity, of this vicinity, all you gotta do, well, we have a break of any caliber, all you do is plot the Fibonacci retracement line and see how well the price retraces. And if you believe your 50% Fibonacci retracement level is the optimal one, you enter a sell limit position around that area. And why is this important? Well, simply because you would have made a lot of money shorting Vechain using this particular strategy. But obviously I wouldn't be using only the Fibonacci tool. I would be using a few other indicators as well. So one thing that I do notice right now is that we're actually in a downtrend, but we're breaking out of it. Now, see how beautiful this is. Do you see how clean this actually looks? So we have one touch, we have two touches, three touches, 4 touches, and then the fifth one from below. It's a very clean trend line. And what happened once again? Well, we can take our Fibonacci tool, we go like this, and like, whoa, it's actually coming down straight into the 61% Fibonacci retracement level. Now, if it does respect this level, it may be a good opportunity to buy. But if it does, one of these, then the Fibonacci retracement level actually doesn't work in this instance, right? So that's something to keep an eye out on. Another thing to keep an eye out on is this tool down at the bottom, which basically for any 2 touches on a trend line, you're going to actually try to see if there is an opposite movement on the relative strength index. So an RSI divergence, that's what I call it. And hopefully you learn how to use this. Another thing that I do see is the 50 period moving average, moving out from being above the price to actually being below the price and acting as a level of support, such as right here. So this is not only this level being the support, it's also the 50 period moving average, this orange line. So let's see what Vechain does. It seems pretty bearish at the moment. It seems like it's going to crash into this level of support. So I don't think it's going to be following the Fibonacci level, but after hitting here, we might see a little bit more of a bullish move. If we see another higher high, amazing. We're going to find significant resistance. Wait, give me 1 second. So moving on to the daily chart, we're going to find some significant resistance as we have already somewhere around this area, around the 10 cent mark. That's what I would call a significant resistance. If we do manage to break above that, I can see Vechain moving very bullish. See you all in the next video. Adios, amigos.